Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on mobile. If you want to use ChatGPT on your phone, this step-by-step guide will show you everything you need to know, from downloading the app to using its most powerful features. So first, you need to go to App Store or Google Play Store to download ChatGPT app. So I just opened the App Store and to start, tap on the search bar at the bottom and type in ChatGPT. Open it. Tap on the first one. And in here, you'll see it get or download, and just tap on that, and it will download to your phone. Now, once installed, open the app. So you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. You can use your email, Google account, or Apple ID. So I'm going to tap on continue with Google, tap on continue, choose an account. After logging in, you'll land on the main screen where you can start chatting right away. So at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a message box. This is where you can type your questions or requests. Just enter anything you want, then tap on send. Write scripts, generate ideas, or even fix problems on your phone. Now let's talk about some powerful features you should know. So first is voice input. So tap on the microphone icon. So ChatGPT would like to access the microphone. Just tap on allow, just like that. Now next is file and image upload. So tap the plus icon. Now in here, at the top, choose photos or files and ask ChatGPT about it. For example, you can upload a screenshot and ask how to fix an error, or upload a document and ask for a summary. So I'm going to tap on files and I'm just going to upload a document. Tap on open and I'm going to ask ChatGPT something like explain this document and tap on send. Now, next, you can also manage multiple conversations. So tap the menu or sidebar to view your chat history. This lets you go back to your previous chats, continue discussions, or organize your ideas. Another tip is to write better prompts. So the more specific you are, the better the response will be. For example, instead of saying write something, you can say write a 2-minute YouTube script about Instagram tips and tap on send. You can even ask follow up questions to improve the answer. Just continue the conversation like you would with a real person. So, for example, this one, ChatGPT said, if you want, I can also turn this into a viral reel script, add another version, customize it for your business, something like that. So, I'm going to say, so I said, turn this into a viral reel script and tap on send, and ChatGPT will work on it. Now, next, exploring settings if you want to customize your experience. So you can adjust preferences, manage data, or switch features depending on what you need. So to go to settings, tap on the menu at the top left, click on your profile at the top right. So once you click on your profile, you'll be directed to the settings. So this is where you can adjust preferences, manage data, or switch features depending on what you need. And that's it. Now you know how to use ChatGPT on mobile, from basic setup to advanced features. Once you start using it daily, you'll realize it's like having a personal assistant right in your pocket. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.